Okay, we've just left the gravesite of Nancy Ward, come across the river. We're on our way. It says it's 9 minutes, so we're on our way to SteelWheel Corner. It's a converted gas station. I've eaten there, I think, twice. It was very good food, burger or whatever it was I had. I think it was a burger and a fry. I was going to go back for breakfast, but we weren't here. But anyway, we'll get this video. We'll have us a couple of Scenic Tennessee drives today. It's close to the Hiawassee River State Park too, or some kind of park. We've been there and got some video. We may go back that way and cut through. I don't know what we'll do yet. It's almost 12 o'clock. Low to mid 70s. Please like, share, and subscribe. We need the subscribers, the views, the watch hours, the likes. All that stuff helps out with YouTube's recommendations. This is US Highway 411 North. Benton, Tennessee. There's a 57 Chevrolet. Was that a two-door hardtop or four-door hardtop for sale over there? We have cut through here over to somewhere. I don't know where, but we cut through anyway. Maybe to US 11. I think that's what we did. Yeah, this SteelWheel, they did a good job of restoring an old gas station. Motorhome for sale back here. Bigger than anything I would want. Probably couldn't afford it anyway. Oh, two-door coupe and a Ford. I don't know those old ones well enough. Look at an old Pontiac. We got a bunch of old cars up here for sale. Yard sales. Yeah, this road up here, I think it's on the corner of SteelWheel. It could be closer, it could be a little bit further off, but anyway, it cuts back through and then turns south and goes down to, 74, 64. And coming back along there, you could either go left, go east, or go right, come back towards Chattanooga. We're double recording this. We're using the Osmo Action 5 and also the S22 Ultra. Look over there at the Smokies. I'm pretty sure we got a hamburger and fries last time we were here. I think that's what we'll get again. believe they have barbecue too. Hopefully they're still open. They were doing good business, so hopefully they're still open. Give them some good reviews, get people going. If you're in this area, stop by there. Southwest Tennessee, Southeast Tennessee, Southwest Carolina, North Carolina, Northwest Georgia, Northeast Alabama. I can plop myself down there and just enjoy it. Should be getting close. We've been recording 7 minutes, so we just say 9 minutes. Of course, we're driving a little bit slower. All those cars for sale. Little airport over there. See some gliders. It's a glider sport. I guess it's all gliders. Have a plane to get them up in the air and then we're 9.5 minutes. We ought to be getting there. We're hungry. 12:30. Be down here on the right. What y'all got for sale? Excuse me. What do y'all have for sale? Yeah, Tennessee 30. Take us over to Reliance. We may check that out. Reliance is pretty neat. SteelWheel. Last time it was very good. We've been here twice. Both times it was very good. So if y'all in the area, be sure to stop and get you some of this. Got little tables out back, so they got barbecue they cook there. Let's see what they've got in there. We're probably gonna get burger and fry like we planned. Okay, here it is. The 3-pound burger. I guess this is a classic burger with the tater tots. It was $11.50. A little tight, but it's good. Well, the burger was excellent. It was cooked just right. The tater tots were just right crispy. They were good. Everything was good. Couldn't beat it. The only thing was the smell of the chicken house. Nothing like eating a great burger with the smell of a chicken house. But you know what? It did not deter from the good taste of the burger and the tater tots. They were absolutely excellent, and I enjoyed them immensely. Very nice people. If you're in the area, here that's Highway 411 at the corner of Tennessee 30, I think it is, SteelWheel corner. So check it out, try it out, and enjoy. Let me get this thing uploaded.